The Chakmas are Tibeto-Burman ethnic group. The Chakma language fall under the Indo-European language family, as that of other Indo-Aryan languages like Bengali, Assamese, Oriya, and other Eastern Zone languages. They have their own script, customs, cultures, and profess in Theravada Buddhism. In the present times, they live in India, spread across Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, and Assam, even in Bangladesh and Burma. Also, in other parts of the world, Australia, Canada, France, and UK.
পুৰণি গীতত লেগাগে চাংমাৰ নিজৰ ৰাজ্য এলো চাংমাৰ ৰাজা যে জাতটোৰ নিজৰ ৰাজ্য ৰাজা নিজৰ আচ্ছেক নিজৰ বাজ নিজৰ অক্ষৰ সে জাতটো বাৰী ডাঙৰ জাত হ'ব সেনতে আমাৰ লোতো চমিয়াগে লাৰেই গৰিয়ে মানুহৰ আচ্ছেক সিনে আমি রাজবংশীয় ফেলেই পারি সাংমার প্রথম রাজা রাজা সমরগিরি সেজেরে রাজা উদয়গিরি সিংরি বালক রাজা এলাক সাংমার রাজা গুণমাই বেগতুন বেজ ইদত গড়ি ফারে ফারা রাজা রাজা বিজয়গিরি বিজব ফাদাত সাংমার নাংতে বালক উগরে রাগেই যেয়ে সেনত্যে আমি তারে এজ ইদত গড়ি তে বেগ সাংমা গুণরে একান নুয় দেশ দিয়ে সম্পক নগর নাঙে সিতে বেগ সাংমাই এজ দাব গুৰি সম্পক নগৰৰে ইদত গৰণ
The Chakmas are followers of Theravada Buddhism, a religion that they have been practicing for centuries. Basic teaching of the Buddha includes the three universal truths. Number 1, nothing is lost in the universe. Number 2, everything changes. Number 3, law of cause and effect.
The Chakma's traditional dance resembles their lifestyle. It depicts their eternal link with June, which is connected to their livelihood. The dance form artistically narrates the activities of the people during cultivation, and with time it became one of the most popular and powerful medium of narration of the Chakma's rich culture.
The Chakma alphabet, also called Ozapat. Chakma letters have a descriptive name followed by a traditional Brahmic consonant. Chakma is of the Brahmic type. Chakma script was added to the Unicode standard in January 2012 with the release of version 6.1. The government of Tripura has made a historic decision to introduce Chakma language in Chakma script in primary schools of Tripura.
Mas people are food-loving people. Since historical times, they have came with innovative ways of preserving the rawness of their organic food. One of the common and popular practices, natural dyeing of the meat and vegetables. This effective process helps them to sustain for long time. Green boiled lives has bestowed a long healthy lives to them. Ooh, murij batte or chili paste with sidol, which can be considered world hot and strongest taste food items that generally complement the boiled lips. Yes, many of their food is not yet recognized. The world needs to unearth this health gifted and organic food of Chakmas.
It is believed that Chakma's history has been traced from the folk songs called Gengholi. Gengholi songs are actually the narrations of the events and glories of kings during ancient times. Modern Chakma songs still retained the same essence and genuinity of the roots of its origin. They are songs not like rap or any other Hollywood style. Melody and storytelling could be the closest words to describe their songs. They are musical instruments.
There are many traditional sports out there which has been played since Buddha's time. Matharon is one of the formal traditional race which has brought the attention of the world. Gilehara is another traditional sport that every child is connected with. The sport has always kept the community integrated and united. It is also responsible for the sustenance of their identity. Not only this, another unique and artistic sport is Futak Sana, which is actually a weapon to hunt, but with time it evolved as a sport.
Nosang